Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Merrickbank account using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your web browser. In the address field at the top, type in www.merrickbank.com and search. You'll end up in the home page of Merrickbank, which looks like this. At the upper right hand corner, tap on the login button to end up in the login area. Right under customer login, select your account type from the drop down. Now, type in your credentials into the credit card login text boxes, right where it says username/email. You can either enter your username or your email address in the text box. After you're done, head over to the password text box and type in your password. While typing in your password, always make sure to type in the correct password. In case you don't remember your credentials, you can tap on this Forgot Username or Password link right below the login button. If you're not enrolled for online banking yet, tap on the link right here and follow the instructions to register. Finally, after typing in all of the credentials correct, tap on the login button and you'll be logged into your Merrickbank account using a mobile device. Logging into your online banking account with your mobile device makes it easier to access to your account, send and receive payments, check your balance, and much more right from your mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.